Welcome. Today, we're exploring a super handy feature in Telegram's latest update that makes finding all audio files from your favorite channels on your PC a breeze. If you're into discovering music, podcasts, or just want to revisit those memorable voice clips, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first. Open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and channels neatly arranged on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to find the channel you're interested in. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to locate it in seconds. Once you've found your channel of choice, click on its name to access the conversation. Now here's where things get really simple. Look at the top of the chat window and click on the channel's name to open its info page. This page is your gateway to everything the channel has to offer: a description, a members list, and most importantly, a complete archive of shared media. Inside the channel info section, you'll see an option labeled Audio Files. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a list of all audio tracks shared in that channel. Everything's organized for easy browsing, so whether you're searching for a particular song, an episode of a podcast, or just curious to see what's been shared, you'll find it all here. To listen, simply click on any audio file and it will start playing right away. Searching for something specific? Scroll through the list or look out for familiar titles. It's that effortless. So let's recap the steps. Open Telegram on your PC, find your channel, click its name to access info, and select audio files to view and play all attachments. In just a few clicks, every piece of audio content in the channel is at your fingertips. Give this feature a try the next time you're on Telegram. Exploring and enjoying channel audios has never been easier.